keep your daytime makeup simple and clean, just go ahead and dot on your concealer. Or you can use a lightweight foundation-based concealer just like I did. Use a gel eyeliner with a thin brush and create a small cat eye. Give your lashes a break by skipping the mascara. Instead, you can enhance your eyelashes by just using a curler. Dab some pink or coral shaded blush onto the apples of your cheek and blend. This will give your face a subtle glow. Use a dual cheek tint which you can then apply onto your lips for a pinky pout. Create the perfect daytime pout by using a slightly darker hue of pink on your lips. Apply it to the bottom lip first and then dab. Separate the upper section of hair and create a half up, half down hairdo. This is simple and it will last you all day. So there you have it, 5 simple and easy steps you can incorporate into your daytime beauty regime. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you like any other celebrity recreations, let us know in the comments below. I'm Natasha signing off. Bye.